Welcome. In today's video we will be discussing how to fix the Wordfence-waf.php error problem. This error is caused by the plugin Wordfence security not installing properly and somehow causing a file to be missing. When the website is loaded up, this would crash the website and you get such error reports as shown here. To begin, closely look at the error on the website. This error points that the Wordfence plugin installed on the website has issues and this has to be resolved. All folders, files, and PHP trees associated with Wordfence should be sorted out and removed. See the blog post in the description link on how to remove Wordfence plugin trees on admin. Next is to delete the Wordfence folder in the plugin folder. Head over to plugins on the WP_contents and click on plugins. Scroll down to locate the Wordfence folder here and delete it. Select and see "IC delete" at the top. To delete the rest of the code, you need to show hidden files. Click settings and check show hidden files. Search the name of the file again. In our case, we are looking for the Wordfence file named user.ini. Inside this file opened in UTF-8 we comment out the code that said auto_prepend_file. Comment out the same line of code as earlier and save the file. Once this is done, refresh your website and check if the error still exists. Go to your site name /wp-admin and log back in. As shown here, the error has disappeared and we can log in successfully. This also shows the latest install of WordPress. You can also access the front end of the website just like users/visitors see your website. Enter your website address and hit enter. Welcome back to this brand new recovered working site. This all took less than 7 minutes. Thank you for staying tuned in until the end. Remember to like, subscribe and share this video if you like it. See you on the next video.